Hello again, Ryan the Carpenter. Basically now I'm going to show you how to fix the 2x1 button to the top of the joist using the Paslode nail gun and the Makita skill saw cut into length. So if you just bear with me, I'll just set up my pod and I'll show you how to fix a few. So I'm just cutting for length. And then basically you set the 2x1 so that it's flush on one side of the joist and it slightly overhangs a little bit on the other, because traditional sizes and metric sizes have changed since this place was built in 1960. So now I'm going to make a gun noise. So basically walk along, use your foot to line it up with the joist, and when you're happy that it's parallel, fix it. If you're doing DIY, then obviously you'd either screw it or you would have some 3-inch nails or 40mm nails. You wouldn't go and have something like this, which is 500-600 quid, where a carpenter uses this every day, every other day. Basically it pays itself with the amount of work we can do. So the next video you'll see the whole ground floor buttoned, ready for the installation process. So there you go, that's how you fix 2x1 to the top of the joists.